Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create a Lloyds Bank account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser and in the search box type in www.lloydsbank.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Lloyds Bank. Now, if you already have an account, you can simply go and click on the log on button at the upper right and select your banking type from the options and enter your user ID and your password to log into your account. But if you are trying to create a new account, scroll all the way down and click on register now. Now, start by typing in the title for yourself in the first text field. Type in your first name on the next and then enter your last name. Select your date of birth from the drop-down and type in your UK postcode on the next. After you're done, if you don't live in the UK, you can click on this box right here, but if you do, type in the postcode and move ahead. Now, select your account type from the drop-down and enter the sort code number on the next text field. Now, type in your account number on the next and finally click on continue in order to sign up for an account. Once you do that, you'll be able to create an account on Lloyds Bank. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.